Oh no, oh no, no, no. It stopped. Rose, look at me. I look like a half-finished sheep.
Sam, put the scissors down immediately. Step away from the mirror. Do not touch anything else.
I can't go outside like this. One side is completely bald and the other side looks like a jungle. It's lopsided. I look like a villain in a bad movie. This is a disaster.
Take a deep breath. We are going to fix this. But first, give me the razor. We are going to a professional. Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending on where you are in this beautiful world. Welcome back to English Lifestyle.
And hello from me, the man with the questionable hair and the hat pulled down very low. Do you hear those birds outside? It sounds like a perfect day to sit back, relax, and learn something new.
It does sound lovely, doesn't it? I hope you are all sitting comfortably with a nice warm drink. Maybe a coffee, maybe a tea, or perhaps a hot chocolate if it's chilly where you are. Today, we are going to have a very relaxed yet incredibly helpful chat. We are going to solve a problem that stresses many people out.
Including me, especially me. I have barber phobia. Is that a real medical condition? Because I think I have it.
I think many people have it, Sam. But before we cure your phobia, we have a small favor to ask our lovely listeners. If you enjoy our little chats and find them helpful, please hit that like button. It's like saying hello to us or buying us a virtual coffee.
Yes, please do join our family. It helps us so much. And honestly, I need the support right now because, well, look at me.
Sam, I am looking at you across the table, and I notice you are wearing a woolly hat indoors. It is 25 degrees Celsius.
I am hiding the evidence.
The evidence of what?
The evidence of my laziness. I haven't been to the barber in 3 months. I look like a lion who lost a fight with a hairdryer. I look scruffy. I need a haircut badly. But honestly, going to the barber makes me so nervous. I never know what to say. I'm afraid I'll say short and come out looking like a potato.
That is exactly what we are talking about today. We are going to walk through the entire day of getting a haircut. We are going to go deep. We will cover everything, from the moment you wake up with bed hair to the phone call, the technical numbers for the clippers, the products, the awkward small talk, and finally that fresh feeling in the evening.
Let's tidy up this mess. I am ready to learn.
Let's start our day. It is 8 a.m. The sun is coming through the window. You walk into the bathroom and look in the mirror.
Oh boy, look at this mirror. It is frightening. My hair is touching my shoulders, my beard is patchy. I definitely look scruffy.
Scruffy. That is a wonderful adjective for the morning. Let's pause on that word. It means untidy, messy, or unkempt. It's not necessarily dirty, just wild. It's the look you have when you haven't shaved or combed your hair in a while.
I definitely have bedhead right now.
Bedhead. Another great phrase. That's the messy hair you have immediately after waking up, where one side is flat and the other side is sticking up.
I have a cowlick too.
A cowlick. That is a specific piece of hair that stands straight up and refuses to lie flat, like a cow licked your head. So, you look in the mirror, you see the bedhead, the cowlick, and the scruffiness. What do you think?
I think my haircut is overdue.
Overdue. This is a great word. It means it should have happened a long time ago. You can have an overdue library book, an overdue bill, or an overdue haircut. So, step 1, admit you are scruffy, realize it is overdue, and decide to book an appointment.
But Rose, booking the appointment is scary too. Do I call? Do I use an app? Do I just walk in?
It depends on the shop. Some places accept walk-ins.
Walk-ins?
A walk-in is a customer who comes without an appointment. You just walk in off the street. But usually, you have to wait a long time. It is safer to book. Let's practice the phone call. You dial the number. Good morning, Cuts and Shaves.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut, please.
Sure. When would you like to come in?
Do you have any openings this afternoon? Maybe around 2 p.m.?
Let me check. It's quite busy, but I think I can squeeze you in at 2.
Perfect. See you then.
Did you hear that phrase? I can squeeze you in?
It sounds tight.
It means they are very busy, but they will make a small space for you in the schedule. It's a very common phrase in service industries. Can you squeeze me in today?
Okay, so I am booked. I am squeezed in. Now I have to wait.
Fast forward to 2 p.m. You are walking down the street. You see the red and white poles spinning outside. You open the door.
Okay, I am walking in. The smell hits me first. It smells like hairspray, coffee, and expensive cologne. It smells manly.
You walk to the front desk. You say, "Hi, I have an appointment at 2 with..." Do you know the barber's name?
No, I just booked with anyone.
Then you say, "I have an appointment at 2. My name is Sam." They might say, "Take a seat. We'll be with you in a minute."
So I sit in the waiting area. I pick up a magazine about cars I can't afford. I try not to make eye contact with the guy getting his beard shaved.
And then the barber calls your name. Sam?
My heart starts beating fast. I stand up. I walk to the chair. It's a big leather chair. He spins it around. I sit down. He puts the cape on me.
The cape, or the gown. That's the sheet they wrap around you to stop hair falling on your clothes. He tightens it around your neck. And then the big question comes. The question you have been dreading.
So, what are we doing today?
This is it, Sam. This is where you need your English vocabulary. If you just say, "cut it short," you might look like a soldier. If you say, "just a little bit," you might look the same as when you walked in. You need to be specific.
I take a deep breath. I look him in the eye, in the mirror, and I say, "Just a trim, please. Short back and sides."
Let's pause and analyze that. Just a trim. This means I like my current style. I just want it shorter and neater. It tells the barber not to change the shape. It is a low-risk request.
And short back and sides is the classic safe style for men. It means short hair around the ears and neck, but longer hair on top. It's the standard gentleman's cut.
But then the barber asks a technical question. Do you want to use the clippers on the sides?
Ah, the machine, the buzzer. This is where I get confused. You need to know your numbers or you will end up bald.
Correct. The numbers refer to the plastic guards on the clippers. They determine the length of the hair in millimeters. Number 1 is very, very short. It is almost skin. Number 2 is short, about 6 millimeters. Number 3 is medium. Number 4 is safe, about ½ inch.
I don't want to see my scalp. I don't want to look like an egg. So I'll take a number 4, please.
Good choice. Number 4 is a gentleman's short. Now, sometimes the barber will ask if you want a fade.
A fade? Like a ghost fading away?
No. A fade is a modern style where the hair transitions smoothly from very short at the bottom, near the ears, to longer at the top. It blends perfectly. Ah, I see. So what is a skin fade? A skin fade starts from 0 hair, bald skin at the bottom, and fades up. It is a very sharp, modern look. But if you want it more natural, ask for a taper.
A taper? That sounds nice.
A taper keeps a little more hair around the edges. It's more traditional. So you have asked for short back and sides, number 4, tapered.
Okay, that handles the sides. But what about the top? It feels heavy. It feels like I'm wearing a hat made of hair.
You need to ask him to remove the bulk. You say, "Can you take the weight off the top?"
Take the weight off. I love that phrase. It sounds like a diet for my hair.
Exactly. It means using special thinning scissors, the ones with the teeth, to remove thickness without cutting the length too short. This is great if you have thick, puffy hair.
And sometimes I want it to look messy and cool, not straight and boring.
Then you ask for texture. You say, "Can you add some texture to the top?" This means he will cut into the hair vertically, point cutting, so it looks choppy and easy to style.
Texture. Take the weight off. Number 4. I sound like a pro.
You do. Now, there is one final detail, the neck. He will ask, square or tapered at the back?
I never know the answer to this.
A square neck has a hard, straight line cut across the bottom. It looks very clean immediately, but it looks messy when it grows out after 1 week. A tapered neck fades naturally into the skin.
I'll go for tapered. It looks better when it grows out, and I'm lazy, so I don't come to the barber often.
Smart choice. Now you sit back, the barber turns on the clippers, the haircut begins.
Now, while you're sitting there, trapped in the chair, the barber might start making conversation. This is called small talk. Oh, I dread this part. I never know what to say. I just want to relax.
In English culture, silence can sometimes feel awkward, so the barber usually tries to break the ice. The classic questions are 1. Busy day today? 2. Got any plans for the weekend? 3. Going anywhere nice on holiday?
So if he asks busy day, I can just say, yeah, not too bad, just work.
Exactly. Keep it light. You don't need to tell him your life story. You don't need to tell him about your divorce or your money problems. Just say, yeah, busy enough. How about you? Busy in the shop?
Asking him back is a good trick. Busy in the shop?
Yes. Barbers love to talk about how busy they are. It fills the time. But if you really don't want to talk, here is a tip. Just give short answers, smile, and close your eyes. Most barbers will understand that you want a quiet service.
I am definitely closing my eyes. I am meditating on my future beautiful hair.
The haircut is finishing. He brushes the hair off your neck with that soft, fluffy brush. He takes the cape off. He spins the chair to the mirror.
This is the moment of truth. I look in the mirror.
Even if you hate it, what do you say?
I say, yeah, that's great, thanks, because I am British and polite.
Hopefully, because you used the right vocabulary today, you actually do like it.
Actually, looking in this imaginary mirror, I look good. I look sharp.
Sharp. That is the best word for post-haircut. It means clean, stylish, precise, and professional.
And I feel fresh. No more lion hair. I feel like a movie star. Maybe Brad Pitt, or at least Brad Pitt's younger brother.
Maybe a distant cousin of Brad Pitt, but feeling fresh is the best feeling in the world.
Wait, we forgot something. Products. He always asks, do you want any product in it?
Ah, yes. Gel, wax, paste, clay, pomade. It's confusing. Gel is wet, shiny, and hard. Think 1990s. Wax or pomade is shiny but softer. Clay or paste is matte.
Matte.
Matte means no shine. It looks natural and dry. This is very popular right now. So you can say, just a little bit of matte clay, please.
Matte clay. Got it. I don't want the wet look.
You pay the bill. In the UK and the US, it is customary to tip.
Oh, right. How much?
Usually 10 to 20%, or just round up the number. If it is £18, give him £20 and say, keep the change. You walk out of the shop. It is now 6 p.m. The sun is setting. You are meeting friends for dinner.
I walk into the restaurant. I feel lighter. The wind hits the back of my neck. It feels cold, but nice, fresh.
How would you describe your look now?
I look sharp. I feel fresh.
It changes your whole attitude, doesn't it?
It does. I feel like I can conquer the world, or at least order dinner with confidence. Okay, that was a lot of information. Let's practice. I want everyone listening to repeat after me during the pause. I want you to say these phrases out loud. It helps your memory.
I will define it, you say it, then repeat it.
Short back and sides.
The classic standard cut.
Short back and sides. Just a trim, please.
Only cutting a small amount.
Just a trim, please. A skin fade.
A cut that blends from bald skin to hair.
A skin fade. Take the weight off.
Removing thickness, not length.
Take the weight off. Line it up.
Making the edges sharp with a razor.
Line it up. Squeeze me in.
To find a small time slot in a busy schedule.
Squeeze me in. It's overdue.
It should have happened a long time ago.
It's overdue. I got a haircut.
The correct grammar.
I got a haircut. Before we recap, I want to talk about something important. Sam, why did you feel like a movie star after the haircut? Why does it change your mood so much?
I don't know. I think when I look scruffy, I feel lazy, I feel unorganized. But when I get a haircut, I feel like I am taking control of my life again.
That is a beautiful insight. Grooming isn't just about vanity. It is a form of self-care.
Self-care, like meditation?
Exactly. Think about the process. You are taking 30 minutes or an hour out of your busy life. You turn off your phone, you sit in a comfortable chair, you close your eyes, you let someone else take care of you. It is a moment of peace. It is a simple joy.
It's true. It is a reset button. When you look fresh, you feel ready to handle life's problems, even if you just go home and eat pizza afterwards.
Especially if you eat pizza. It is about respecting yourself. If you are feeling low or sad or unmotivated, go get a haircut or even just a wash and style. It can change your whole week.
And it is cheaper than therapy.
Sometimes, yes. It is a small investment in yourself. So let's look back at our journey today.
We started in the morning. I was looking scruffy, I had bedhead, and my haircut was overdue.
Then you called the shop. You asked if they could squeeze you in. You booked an appointment.
Then we went to the afternoon. I sat in the chair. I asked for a trim, a number 4 on the sides, and I asked the barber to take the weight off the top using thinning scissors.
We discussed the difference between a fade, blended, and a taper, natural edges. We learned about matte products versus shiny gels.
And finally, we finished in the evening. I felt sharp and fresh.
And perhaps most importantly, you learned the grammar, I got my hair cut, not I cut my hair.
Unless I do it myself, which, as we saw at the beginning of the episode, is always a disaster.
Please hide the scissors, Sam.
I promise.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope you feel a little bit more confident about your English today. We hope you feel ready to walk into that barber shop, sit in the chair, and speak with confidence.
And come out with great hair.
We have a question for you in the comments. How do you feel after a haircut? Do you feel confident and fresh, or do you just want to go home and shower?
Tell us your story, and tell us if you have ever had a haircut disaster. We love reading those.
Have a wonderful, peaceful week. Take care of yourselves.
See you next time. Bye.